Hello, guys. Happy New Year in advance, and the people in New Zealand and I think in Japan. Uh, you should have already the New Year is knocking your door. So, Happy New Year to you guys also. This is the chart, gold, which we call XAU and USD. So gold has a very good year this year. From the chart we can see each candlestick is a yearly candlestick. For last 2 years in 2021 and 22 it got some bearish signature. But both of the cases we have seen that last year in 2022 it got 1613 and it moved up and gave us a confused dodgy candlestick, but this year it moved up and made the highest record in gold history to 2141 something 47 something like this. And again the gold is running towards that. And as you know, a lot of investor finds its shelter in gold, in US dollar, in Japanese yen, in Swiss franc, to save their investment. There is a buzz in the market that US dollar rate will be cut in first quarter of the year, and if we go to monthly we can see the impact here that this thing happened already, that it started moving up. And this month, I mean today is still 31st December in my location, so it made this bullish movement. So we don't have any reference anymore for gold. If it goes high, then we leave it up to the market what it will decide, because nothing has surpassed this area, and once, twice, thrice it has tried and it broke out. So, but if you can see, guys, that it did try to break out the change of character, but it failed. Last month, this month on December, it tried to broke out, but it came back within the structure again and below the last three high. So this is what is happening in the gold market. So and the double bottom has been created from here in month. So let's draw it. We always keep it in mind. So if it starts falling, we should know where it should come at least, and where it will stop the fall. So we should mark this. This is where the bottom, which has created at the top, we are seeing now, and this is in monthly time frame. So in last October, it was in its lowest price, and then it started moving up. Now we can see that it got a bullish candle, but the confusing thing, which is this big shadow on the top, also the bottom shadow is also very big, but the top shadow is bigger than the bottom shadow, so the market is actually confused here what to do and what not to do. It is only the news which put the price here due to the US dollar rate cut. So now let's move on to the weekly. If we can have a double top or something. No, we don't have anything here. Actually, we don't have anything. We have a green and red, we have a green and red, and which is beyond this line, so we don't have anything here. So again it tried to cross this line, and this is the change of character, and it failed. It retraced back in the weekly also. And the biggest thing, again, I say all the time that this is a three rising method, we say, and I am expecting to gold come down to 2006 within next couple of weeks, at least within January, because the price action is showing us that it is going to happen something. We have a very big rejection here again. the gold price is being pushed again. Here we can see it has been pushed, and if we see the three falling, three rising method, if we, this is the guy actually, three rising method, sorry, three falling method I'm expecting, not rising. Let me revise it. Three falling methods. So this is the guy I am talking about, and if we guys see in let's take it out a little here, and if we bring it here now, you guys can understand what is the thing. This is a weekly candlestick, and for the last 3 weeks it failed to break out of it on the if we measure the body here, this is the body, and these are the three, and it failed to break. So next week I mean in January, in total first to third week it will come down somewhere here. That is my way of thinking at the moment, because if consecutive 3 weeks couldn't break a single week body, and also this body has a very big shadow on the top, and we are seeing the same here in the latest week of last week of December that it happened. You guys can measure that this pattern is very powerful, and this week this is the thing, it happens, and it will come down somewhere, some places like this, at least this. So this is one thing I would like to mention here. On weekly I can see it, maybe it will not happen in first week, second week, but within first 3 week of January something will happen here. On a BRE something like this will come, something like this. This is my expectation about gold. So this is where it has gone first. So let's move to day time frame. Let's squeeze it so you guys can see that it has already getting weakened, and in day we have a double top. Can you guys see? We have a double top. We have a double top, green, red. So let's draw it, and this zone will be very big, my dear. This is a very big zone. Okay guys, this is a very big zone, and here we have to consider the depth of the market. It means it went up to this area, and coming back to current place, but we have to consider the whole zone. This is the whole price zone we have to operate, and this was the place where the break of structure we were supposed to have, a change of character supposed to happen, but it failed. We may remove this for the moment, or we may put it on monthly only, so we can understand what we are doing. No point in weekly, daily and hourly. Okay, and now let's see what we have here. Yes, now we can see a little bit better, and this is the place where things will start. Three rising method I am expecting here in weekly time frame, not in daily. You guys can see in weekly this is the three rising method. It will fail and it will create this guy. Okay guys, so let's go to daily, and we have a double top here, and we are expecting that the price will try to hit back here once. So if I take a trade right now, what resisted it here is my question. So let's get to a little more. So we have a double bottom in 4 hour here. So can you guys see? Okay, hold on. We have lost our daily double top. We need to enable this, guys. In hourly, we don't need in weekly and monthly. Okay, and we have to enable this guy also. It is enabled, and we have to enable this guy also, so we can visualize in 4-hour D all these things. So let's go to 4-hour D, and we can see now the whole picture that in 4-hour D it has been resisted here. This guy and this guy has made this double bottom here. So if we measure, I'm just going to put a line here to for understanding. I'm not going to draw anything here. So this is the depth of the market, double top and double bottom. So if we measure it from here to here, the price should come at least to this level. So my way of thinking is the lead I will create is this. It should come at least 207 to 2072.73. Honestly, to be a little bit conservative, I will put my trade on. I will not go long at the moment. I will go short. So let's get back to day time frame. So my lead will be go short at 2077. The stop loss will be, sorry guys, let me rewrite them correctly. Go short 2077 and stop loss I will put somewhere where, hold on, if we go for 2077 is this place, this is the place I want. So this is, I'll put a stop loss 80, 2080. That is the depth I can understand, and TP1 should be take profit will be 2057 first TP1, then second TP1 will be, TP2 will be, now this is the 50% is here, so 2025. I will prefer 2025 is better. Yes, 2025 is the second, and the third one is somewhere here, 1996. So this is, that's it for me for gold. 2025 TP3 at best I'm expecting 2005. Let it be a little bit conservative. So this is that's it for gold from my end, and this is the thing I can expect, and hope you guys make your own analysis to make risk management. Don't take bigger trade. The trade must be inconsistent with your capacity of investment, not more than 10% at all. Okay guys, take care and do subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Guys, I need some subscribe. I would like to humbly request you to subscribe, especially for the new viewer, and share it with all your people.